Welcome back to my channel, student. Today I will tell you about the environment. Okay, so look at here our environment. What do you mean by environment? क्या होता है environment? Environment means surrounding. See what it means? Surrounding. Clear? अब what is surrounding? क्या होता है? See, I am a living organism, okay, and the surrounding of my, यानी कि मेरे चारों तरफ जो है that is environment. Clear? Now look at the definition. Then you know the meaning of environment and you will better understand the term environment. Okay, so look at here. Environment means it is an external surrounding and conditions which directly or indirectly affects the living organism. The external surrounding that directly or indirectly affects what? The living organism. Okay, right now I am what? Sweating. Okay, because the environment affects me. I am the living organism and the environment affects me because the temperature is what? High at this time. That's why I am sweating. So it directly what? Affects me. Same as it also affects the different living organisms that are found on the earth. Are you getting my point? Okay. If not, then it will clear you when we will complete this. Look at here. So this environment consists of two factors. The first one is what? The biotic factor, and the second one is what? The abiotic factor. Biotic factor means the living component. These are what? The living component. And abiotic factors means what? The non-living component. अब बात आती है कि सर ये क्या होता है? Clear? So see, I am writing the example of the living component and the non-living component. Living component. Human beings. Green with plants, then animals, etc. Microorganisms भी living organism है, okay? Then the non-living component are water, air, temperature, humidity, etc. because there are many components. So the environment consists of these two components, in which in the living component these are the examples, and in the non-living components these are the examples, and they what? Interact with each other. It means the living components interact with what? The non-living component. Okay, why? To sustain life on earth. Okay, so these are what? The two components which are found on earth, and these are affected by what? The external surrounding. The external surrounding and the conditions. Okay, so after this topic, in the next class I will tell you about the ecosystem, its component and its type. Okay, till then, goodbye.